Are you feeling frustrated with the complexities of selling digital downloads on Shopify? You're not alone. Many creators struggle with third-party apps and hidden costs. Introducing Sellfy, the platform designed for hassle-free digital product delivery. With Sellfy, you can set up your digital store in just 5 minutes, no technical skills required. Sellfy gives you unlimited subscribers and emails with built-in email marketing, so you can keep your customers engaged without extra expenses. Our clean checkout ensures your customers enjoy a seamless buying experience on any device. What sets Sellfy apart? Unlike Shopify, we focus entirely on digital products, offering easy integration to your existing website. Enjoy features like advanced analytics and a beautiful hosted storefront at the same monthly price. Don't just take our word for it, creators love Sellfy. Holger Wurst found it quick and easy to start his business, focusing on creating instead of managing logistics. Ready to transform your digital sales? Start your 14-day free trial today, no credit card required. Don't miss out, join Sellfy now.